AIIMS Bhubaneswar is one of the institutions of national importance and one of the 6 new AIIMS which has been established under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. Under this scheme, the 6 new AIIMS were established so that in those regions where tertiary healthcare is underserved, these institutions can somehow fill up that gap. And there are 3 main pillars for these AIIMS. One is patient care, the other one is education, and the third one is research. And as far as these 3 major pillars are concerned, I think at the present moment AIIMS Bhubaneswar is doing rather well. If you look at our OPD footfall, we have a daily footfall of about 2,800 patients. And in the inpatients, we have around 540 beds. Almost all the departments are there, save for 2 departments. One is nephrology and the other one is surgical gastroenterology. The operation theatres, at the moment we have 8 operation theatres, but we are in the process of building 25 modular OTs with a medical gas pipeline system. We are trying to integrate 15 operation theatres. So we hope that within the next 6 months these facilities will be available, which will give us a real great advantage when it comes to surgical specialties. In cancer therapy, we have recently, in the last 1 week, we have installed radiotherapy equipment like high energy linear accelerator, a CT simulator and brachytherapy unit. These are state of the art machines which have been installed. We have started a nuclear medicine department with gamma camera, and so this will be able to facilitate the cancer treatment which we are giving at the moment. If you look at the education which we are offering, we have medical undergraduates, we have nursing BSc honors nursing course, we have other BSc honors courses like the OT technology, we have BSc MLT, we have radiotherapy technicians, radiology technicians, and so on. So at the specialty levels, we have MD as well as MS courses, and in these courses we are having major clinical departments. The medical MD and MS courses have been started. DM MCH courses have been started at the moment in 4 departments, and we are hoping to start in more departments very soon. So we are at the moment we are critically poised, because as more departments the faculty have started, we have completed our faculty recruitment, and as the faculty join, then we are able to provide these kind of educational courses. In the College of Nursing, we are also starting the MSc courses very soon. In 5 different subjects we are going to start MSc Nursing. Our undergraduates are very much involved in a lot of other extracurricular activities. They have dancing clubs, poetry clubs, they have clubs where they do a lot of physical activities, all kinds of sports events they participate. In fact, we have recently opened a new gym so that they can get fit and as well as work up a good set. But apart from that, our students have done extremely well in the recent postgraduate entrance exam, All India entrance exam, PG entrance exam, which was held by AIIMS. We have seen at least 8 students come in the first 500 and 20 students who have got a good placement. So this gives us a good feeling that our training program is on track. But we are not the kind of people who would rest on our laurels. We are trying to improve the curriculum. A major curricular reform is on the way, with a lot of faculty who are working towards it. At the moment, as I speak, multi-state collegiate fest, intercollegiate fest is going on, where students from all colleges have descended to AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Students are enjoying themselves. It's called Kayasma, and we've had stage shows, pro shows, we've had literary events, sporting events, and cultural events going on. That is as I speak. Apart from the fact that on a regular basis they are involved in a lot of socially responsible activities, like they do stage plays, street plays. They go and do some flash dancing and things like that, so that they feel that they are connected with the community which we serve. On the research front, we have very well equipped laboratories at the moment, and a lot of faculty are writing up extramural grants. We also facilitate our faculty to do research by providing them intramural grants, and our library is in a position to support their research endeavors, because we have a very well stocked library. Plus we are getting a lot of the major journals, and of course it is all on the net, but that is a good way of supporting the research facilities. So I think AIIMS Bhubaneswar on the whole is going in the right path, and I'm sure that in the years to come it will go from strength to strength and become one of the best medical colleges which students will choose to join.
AIIMS Bhubaneswar is committed to provide world-class cancer care in our institute, and at least 70% of the patients they take radiotherapy in one point of time. Like cancer treatment is given by surgery, radiotherapy and chemotherapy. Most of the patients they cannot afford to take this type of therapy. It's very costly. The machine is also very costly. So we have installed this type of versatile machines which produces high energy X-ray beam. It has dual energy and it helps to kill the cancer cells with protecting normal tissue. This is the advantage of this machine compared to cobalt 60 machines. That is why this is called linear accelerator, which is high end. And we are also engaged in the teaching program here. Very soon we will have MD course, we will have radiotherapy technician course also. There is no centers around to produce technologists here. So there is a deficiency of this training program. We'll provide world-class teaching program. We'll also have research. We don't have indigenous research work here, like our patient-centric. We are genetically different compared to the Western country. So it is different. We will have our own data. We'll treat our patients with low cost, best quality, and we'll generate our data for patient research also. This will be one of the unique opportunities.
Recently, we have started ADR monitoring facility, and the services will be finalized shortly.
We have started the facility of gamma camera imaging at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. A gamma camera is a device which is used to image the radiation emitted from the patient, and this machine is very much useful to image the cancer spread in the body, in bones. Then also it is useful to see the coronary artery blockage without the help of angiography. We can also image many thyroid diseases with the help of this gamma camera, and we can make the diagnosis. It's also useful in imaging of the lung, also in research purpose for cancer.
Right now we are in the process of applying licenses for blood components also. But at the same time, we are now providing service to the patients, and we are also performing FRSs. We are doing cross-match also, and we are also doing some other procedures and some other investigations like Coombs tests, direct and indirect Coombs tests, and we also conducting some blood donation camps intermittently. And our blood bank has a future plan to start a degree in transfusion medicine, that is a postgraduate course in MD, that is MD in transfusion medicine, very soon, within a year or two. I hope our blood bank and this blood transfusion service will be a referral center for the whole Eastern India, and AIIMS will cater all the will act as a referral center for all complicated problems in blood banking and even hematology.
AIIMS Bhubaneswar has many high-tech instruments for patient services and research purposes. So one such instrument is this one, which we call it as ultra performance liquid chromatography in the Department of Pharmacology. So with this we will be providing services like therapeutic drug monitoring, and to be honest, it is done in very few places in